One of the most common questions I get from people is, what software do you use? Is it Maya, After Effects, Cinema 4D, Softimage, 3D Max? In this video, I'll break down the options you have when choosing your animation software. Before I start, I just want to clarify that this is my own opinion, based on my own experience. It's important to remember that skills will get you far no matter what software you use. Tools are just tools. I did not include every animation software out there, just the one I thought were good enough to mention. Obviously there are other good ones, so if you have a suggestion you think should be on this list, write it down in the comments below. Politely. The first three are from Autodesk. We have Maya, Softimage, and 3D Max. All three do pretty much the same things. They are all-inclusive 3D program, industry standard, used by large studios for anything from character animation, visual effects, game design, film, TV, commercials, and more. Choosing one of those three is based on your personal preference and what you were taught in school. From my experience, Maya is more of an industry standard, since it's used by large studios such as Pixar and South Park Studios. It's also what I've experienced to be the standard in most New York commercial studios. Cinema 4D is a motion graphics artist's best friend. This is a 3D program for After Effects users. Very intuitive and works directly with After Effects without the need to render first. This would not be my first choice for film production, since it's designed from the ground up with motion graphics in mind. Blender is an open source and free 3D software. It provides a broad spectrum of modeling, texturing, lighting, animation, and video post-processing all in one package. Blender is really great for beginners, not because it's simple or not professional, but simply because it's free, so anyone can just hop on and start using it. I've actually created a course recently called Blender Animation, so if you want to get deeper into Blender, you can check that out. Probably the most popular 2D animation software out there. Flash has a long tradition of animation making, even before it was purchased by Adobe. Flash is vector-based and very intuitive to work with, like most Adobe's products are, and relatively cheap. This software is used by a lot of YouTubers making animation online. An interesting choice for 2D animation. After Effects gives you great control when creating rigs for 2D, and using the puppet tool is very convenient and intuitive. I find After Effects to be a great choice since I'm very comfortable with the Adobe environment, but that's my personal preference. Because it's an editing software, it's great to be able to edit and color correct in the same place you animate. Photoshop is often overlooked when considering an animation software, but in reality, its powerful drawing tools make it one of the best choices for frame-by-frame Disney-style animation. Photoshop's timeline functionality lets you animate by drawing frame by frame, using onion skinning, which simulates a light table. This is a great choice for traditional animators. A French animation software, TV Paint is the all-in-one 2D animation software you'll ever need. It's definitely more robust and complex than Photoshop, but it's also much pricier. This software is used by professional animators and studios. Toon Boom offers a user-friendly set of animation programs that has advanced rigging systems, effects, and camera tools. They offer different packages for different prices. The packages are Toon Boom Studio, Animate, and Harmony. For hobbyist animator, I would suggest the Toon Boom Studio package, which is not very pricey. If you want to learn more about Toon Boom, you can check out our guest tutorial by Tony Ross.